Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing my catch-all plan with me. And I'll be using this A5 traveler's notebook that I've kind of done a little hack on and inserted an A5 or junior size DIY disc planner that I made. I'll link to the video showing how I did this in the iCard up above. And I'm going to be using inserts from my Patreon. And let's see, this is last week's spread. So I'm going to be moving on to this week, which is the 6th through the 12th. And I will be doing the Scrapcraftastic weekly challenge. And the prompt this week is summer heat. If you're interested in playing along with the challenge, join us over in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group, where you can get all the prompts for the whole year. And you can jump in anytime and get started. You don't have to start at the beginning. All I ask is that you post your spreads in the group and on Instagram. And make sure you use the tags for the challenge, which are noted on the challenge information. I'm gonna be using this washi and maybe this washi. I don't know, haven't decided. And then I'll also be using Fun Florals and Choose Happy. And so let's get started. I kind of want to do like a tropical summery theme, so I'll probably be using a lot of these leaves, tropical leaves. And I'm going to use this across the top. Wow, it's just a little afternoon here, and I hear thunder. We usually have storms in the afternoons, like late afternoon, evening, but I hear the rumbling already, so that means we're probably going to have storms early, which is not necessarily a bad thing because the storms do help cool things down, and it's very, very hot here. I'm not going to cover the days of the week. I don't know what I'm going to do at the bottom either. I don't really have anything that I would use down there. So I'm going to go ahead. Ooh, I forgot I had her. She would have been perfect for summer heat. I might still use her. Okay. I've run out of room to put my dolls in. Ooh, she would be, all of these would be good. But I have one already in mind. Oh, she's killing me with the choices. Let's see. Maybe I'll switch my plan and use her and her. And then I also have this washi, ooh, that I can use. I haven't opened this one. I have the little one open. Let's see. And I know maybe I should take the pink off. See, I had it all worked out in my mind, and now I'm gonna have to change course because I really love these stickers, and that just says summer heat to me. Definitely. Kind of makes me want to put it at the bottom too, and I think I will, because this color is, I'm not usually into bright colors, but it's something about these bright colors from Simply Gilded that I just really love this washi tape. ever since I did that yellowish spread earlier this year, I've been kind of hooked on the yellows and oranges. And my youngest son's favorite color is orange, which I think that's an odd favorite color, but I don't know. And I think orange looks good on me. Well, it used to. I don't know what looks good on me anymore, but I did have a couple of orange tops, and they seem to really complement my skin. But anywho, okay, so I think I'm going to stop there. I may add a little more pink throughout, but I am happy with that. And let's see what little deco pieces we can find to help set it off. I think I'm going to use that Today sticker. And oh, that one. It's the same. It's a little smaller. So I'm going to take one of these to-do lists. Do I have any appointments next week? Let me check. So, no, I do not have any appointments. So let me go ahead and put this down on Monday. I'm going to come down a little bit. Jumped down on the paper. That's why I use the tweezers. Someone asked me, why do I use tweezers? That is why, because if I use my hands for whatever reason, stickers seem to just plop down onto the paper. So I'm going to put this on Thursday, and I'm going to put it kind of towards the top, but not completely. And let's see, I'm going to start using some of these leaves. I can find them. They're different colors, but I think I can make them work together. I think that's good. Now let's see. She's gonna go right there. These are from Coco's Vision, if you didn't already know. And then I think I'm gonna put her right there. I love these colors. Ugh, they look so good. Maybe I should use one of these weekend stickers. See what it looks like. I had already taken this one off. Let's try this one. A couple of these parts for my list, which I don't think I'm going to have a whole lot to do. Let's do orange. I'm really trying to use up my stickers as much as possible. There's no point in holding on to these. Okay, yeah, I'm going to let the color speak for itself. Go ahead and add my word stickers and call that good because the colors are popping. Oh yeah, I need to put a trash. So I'm going to put this here for resetting out the recycling. Let's put it down here. And then I'm going to, I guess I could use the green for trash. I usually do them the opposite way, but this is fine. And then I need payday. I do need wash hair. Put that on Monday. Wait, no, Tuesday. Clean CPAP on Monday. I'm running out of those. I need those. Actually, I'm gonna put that right on up here at the top so that I make sure I do it early and it'll have time to dry. Oh, I'm running out of payday stickers. So I'm going to use one of my Plan Next Week stickers. Put that on Sunday evening. I think I'll be going to any of those stores. Probably a TV I'm going to use. Do I have any of the smaller paydays? Yes, let's go ahead and use this one. Up here. And I'll use a cleaning sticker on Thursday. Tends to be the day that I like to clean the most. And then TV sticker. Oh, okay. On Saturday. And mail sticker. Hopefully I'll go to the post office this week and check my post office box. Let's use one of these planners. I think that is going to be it. Okay, use that laundry sticker. So that is going to be it for this spread. Let me pop it back in and see what we are working with. I'm already running out of room on these discs, so hopefully I'll be able to get another jacket and I'll be able to use classic size discs. That's what I'm moving towards. That's it. I'm happy with that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also check us out over at patreon.com for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Also visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.